To create a single crochet, we're going to put our hook through the stitch. Here we go. We're going to put our hook through the stitch. We're going to grab onto that yarn and pull it through the portal. And then we're going to pull the yarn through two portals. And we're going to repeat that. We're going to put our hook through the stitch. Go. We're going to pull our yarn and go through one portal, then go through two portals. I will keep this up so you can watch, and happy crocheting.